Are you looking to turn your skills into a steady income stream, whether you are a graphic designer or writer? Fiverr offers a platform to monetize your talents. Imagine working from anywhere, setting your own rates, and getting paid to do what you love. In this video, we'll show you the exact steps to get started on Fiverr and start making money today. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into fiverraffiliates.com. As you can see, this is the homepage. Here we have Fiverr affiliate products. Select the one you want: marketplace, Fiverr Pro, logo maker. We have a type program, resources, help center, join now, and dashboard login. We have here become a Fiverr affiliate. Join the Fiverr affiliate program and start earning by recommending world class freelance talent. So all you have to do is click over join now if you want to sign up. Before that, it's now some information about Fiverr affiliate program. First, we have here made the products. We have here affiliates can choose to promote a variety of Fiverr products. We have here Fiverr, Fiverr Pro, logo maker. Then our partners earn first into an instant commission ranging from 2500% to 100% of the customer's first order, and a 10% revenue share from all future orders placed by the customer in the first 12 months. First, we have your marketplace gigs, pro services, logo maker. As you can see, also we have everything you need to succeed. We provide our partners with top tier resources, infrastructures, and support. Missing something? Reach out and you'll get it. Here we have join now. Again, all you have to do is click over if you want to sign up. But let's know more information. We have here also marketing tools, personal support, interactive dashboards, a wide range of offers. Also here we have a questions. Are you Fiverr affiliate material? Here is an answer. So here is what we are looking for. First, we have the content creators, digital entrepreneurs, solution providers, online educator, marketers, agencies, and here we have fakes. I've gathered some of the most asked questions about our Fiverr affiliate program. First, we have what is the Fiverr affiliate program? How do I promote Fiverr? Do I need to reach a threshold before I get paid? How often are commissions paid? What does a Fiverr affiliate link look like? So all I have to do, if you want to get your answers, click over here. As you can see, this is the first question, the second question, the third question, also the fourth question, and the last one, as you can see. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is come back to the top and click over join now. So this is the home page. We have here Fiverr affiliate. Sign up to Fiverr affiliate program. First of all, you will write your name, then your last name, email address, username, password, confirm your password, then your account type. Then you will respond to this question: do you have a main source of traffic? All you have to do is responding by yes or no. As you can see, if you click over here, have your yes or no, you can choose the one is. Then we have here country. You can choose the country, your country, sorry. Then you choose your language. Then Skype, as you can see. Then you click over next, and this is account Fiverr. Here we have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payment, sub affiliates, commission plan, affiliate starts. So all you have to do right now is go to marketing tools, default and deep links, as you can see. So you will find these different affiliate links. So if you want to send someone to these affiliate links, it's going to send them straight to Fiverr to sign up to Fiverr platform. Now that's okay. But if you want to promote some specific offer and some specific service for Fiverr, then you would find that service that you want to promote. Let's say, for example, video editing. You find the video editing service that you really like and you think is valuable. So let's choose this one, for example. Then you click on the button share and you click copy link. Then you would go back to your affiliate account and click on over job link, and you delete this one and paste the new link. And once you click, that's going to give you special affiliate links for the offer in particular. And now when someone clicks on your affiliate link, they will be sent to the service from which you earn commission if they invest in the service. But even if they don't buy the service and they go to something else, you will still earn commission because they use your affiliate link to sign up. Now let's talk about how to share your affiliate links on social media. First, we have Quora. As you can see, all you have to do is search about video editing, because we choose video editing first. Let's continue with video editing. As you can see here, we have various questions. All you have to do right now is responding for these questions and help people to know more about these details of video editing. And also the important thing, share with them your links and tell them this video could help you more and more. Then you can use also Reddit. As you can see here, we have Reddit. All you have to do is type in into reddit.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. So you can find a lot of subreddits related to the services that you are promoting. And again, video editing has just one of the kind of services that you can promote. Just literally all sorts of different, like graphics and design, programming, digital marketing, video animation, writing, music, business, consulting also, and other things. Then create affiliate links for each, and then find people that are interested in this, join different subreddits, and subtly start promoting your links. Don't be spammy, but provide some value, answer questions, and at the end you can say, hey, this is the one that I use. If you want to check it out, here is a link. That's how you can potentially approach this. So using social media on Fiverr can significantly boost your freelance career by increasing visibility, building a personal brand, and attracting clients like Reddit and Quora. Also, you can use Facebook by creating a business page to share your Fiverr gigs, client testimonials, and updates. Fiverr is a versatile online marketplace offering freelance services across various fields, including graphic design, writing, and programming and digital marketing. It connects business and individual with freelancers who can provide specialized services quickly and affordably. By leveraging Fiverr, users can access a vast pool of talent to complete projects efficiently, making it an excellent resource for outsourcing tasks and finding skilled professionals for short-term or long-term collaboration. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.